ProConnect Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to ProConnect tax software are in the description. ProConnect is Intuit's cloud-based tax software designed for professional tax preparers. It offers seamless integration with QuickBooks, e-signature capabilities, and real-time collaboration. The interface is straightforward, allowing tax professionals to handle complex returns efficiently. It supports federal and state tax filings, with access to over 5,600 forms, and automates calculations to reduce errors. The software includes built-in diagnostics to catch potential issues before filing, saving time on revisions. It's best suited for CPAs, accounting firms, and tax professionals handling multiple clients. One major advantage is its cloud-based nature, eliminating the need for software installation and allowing access from any device. Security is robust, with data encryption and multi-factor authentication. ProConnect also provides a pay-per-return pricing model, making it cost-effective for firms that don't need unlimited returns. Integration with Intuit's ecosystem enhances workflow efficiency, syncing financial data directly from QuickBooks. Additionally, it offers e-filing and electronic signature collection, expediting the tax process. However, the software has a learning curve, especially for those unfamiliar with Intuit's ecosystem. Pricing can also be high for firms handling a large number of returns. Customer support is available, but sometimes slow during peak seasons. Overall, ProConnect is a powerful tax preparation tool for professionals seeking cloud-based accessibility, automation, and QuickBooks integration. If your firm values efficiency and security, it's a solid choice. Check out the links in the description for more details.